Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I'm reaching out to my CIS 101 students. I'm sending you this quick video so you will know exactly what needs to be done to get this class up and going. Today is Monday, so you should be focused on looking in here and seeing what you need to know to continue to be successful in this semester. So let's just take a look around and make sure you know what to do. The first thing you should do is click on content, because in content you will see the syllabi. So what I'm gonna do is click on here and go into the view as a student. Then I'm gonna click on content, and when I click on content, you will see your syllabi in there. It's important that you open up the syllabi and review it. Now, I tell students this all the time. Review your syllabi week by week. Print it out, put it next to your computer, take it with you. But some students refuse to listen, and that's how they get caught up. Do not be that student. Download your syllabus and review it. The second thing is you will notice you have a discussion question in there. Read this rules for posting. It's important. Every time you mess up a post, I'm going to send you this to let you know where you messed up. And go through the first discussion. Second thing you need to do is check your assignments. As you complete an assignment, you need to make sure you upload the work here. Now, these particular assignments you will get out of this course here. So you will go to this website, which is called SolarLearn, and you will begin to do your programming. I'm not going to tell you in this video log what programming you should use. Of course, you're going to review the video. Of course, you're going to review your syllabus and know exactly what programming you should be doing. Okay, now that covers two important things that you have to do. You have to do some programming in this class, and you should be reviewing your syllabus. And right now, you should have actually logged into your portal. The last thing I need you to do is go back to content. And in content, you need to go where all your work is. Right here, My Lab, IT, Student Link. You will click on that and you will go in here and make sure that you are set up. I will be tracking this, so I'll know who logged in today, the first day of class. So students, I wanted to make this video very short. The last thing I want to speak on is that in your syllabus, it will tell you what day do you meet with your professor if you need help. So if you need help, what day do the professor have office hours? I expect you will review the syllabus to know that. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I'm going to end this video because I wanted to make it short so you can get up and running. I will send this to you in your email. Be successful, student.